Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve speaking skill using a short story or English in situation. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully when I tell you a short story. You should try to memorize it, repeat sentence by sentence, and try to retell it. Now, please listen and repeat after me. Jackie was kidnapped yesterday. Now, she is in an olfactory building. She is there with the kidnappers. Jackie cannot see the building. There is a blindfold over her eyes. She doesn't know where she is. Well, she cannot move her arms or legs. There are ropes around them. She is tied to a chair, so she cannot stand, she cannot move, she cannot sleep. Well, now please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, to improve your speaking skill. Then I will ask you some question about it. Now, listen and repeat after me. Jackie was kidnapped yesterday. She is in an olfactory building with the kidnappers. She doesn't know where she is. She cannot see the building. There is a blindfold over her eyes. She is tied to a chair. There are ropes around legs and her arms. She cannot stand. She cannot talk, and she cannot sleep. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my question about it. When was Jackie kidnapped? Where is she now? Does she know where she is? What is there over her eyes? Can she move her arms or legs? Is she tied to a chair? Can she talk? Well, can she sleep? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.